dear students. Today we are going to learn the topic partnership, right? But before explaining partnership, you must have to know the meaning of sole trader, because if you don't know the meaning of sole trader, you will not come to know what is meant by partnership, right? So now I would like to explain you the first of all the meaning of sole trader. Sole trader. The word itself says that sole trader is a single person. When an individual decided to start the business with a view to earn profit, it is called sole trader, right? Now, there are many advantages and disadvantages of sole trader. Sole trader main advantage is he don't have to share his profit with others. The disadvantage of sole trader is he cannot expand his business at large level, and he don't have sufficient capital also, right? So to overcome the limitation of sole trader and to expand the business, an individual is joining the partnership. Now, sometime what happen? An individual is having money, but he don't have sufficient skill, managerial skill. Sometimes he is having a skill, but he don't have sufficient fund. Sometimes an individual, he don't want to take the risk of the business fully by him. He want to share his risk. So these are the reason an individual is starting the partnership, right? Now, what is the meaning of partnership? So partnership meaning, according to section 4 of 1932 Partnership Act, it suggests that partnership is the relation between the persons who have agreed to share the profit of the business doing by all, or any of them acting for all. So in that, what's happening? Partnership, all the people who are individually joining the partnership, they are called as a partner and collectively as a firm. So remember, my dear students, you need minimum 2 persons to form a partnership, right? Now see, there are many characteristics of partnership. I am writing that one by one. First character of partnership is creation by contract. See, partnership is emerging through the agreement. It is advisable that partnership should be in written. A partnership with oral agreement will not long last. If any problem will happen in future, a partner cannot claim in the court. But if you have partnership agreement in written, then you can overcome the future problems also. So remember, the partnership is creating by contract. Second is profit objective. Profit objective. See, all the organization, their main intention is to earn profit. Same way, partnership is also their intention is to earn and distribute the profit of the firm. It is not necessary that always you are having profit. Sometimes you will have a loss also. So you have to responsible, or you have to get ready for the loss also to distribute of the business. Third is legal business. See, you cannot do any illegal business. Naturally, if the business should be legal one. Okay? Agent of each other. Fourth point I am writing here, agent of each other. See, in partnership, all the partners are working to help each other. So indirectly they are working as an agent for each other. Number of partners. See, minimum